Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Jira Timeline. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to the Jira website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is your control center for accessing all your active projects and assigned tasks. From the dashboard, click on View All Projects to see the complete list of projects available to you. After locating the project you want to focus on, click its name to open the project's main page. From here, look for the Timeline option at the top of Project. This is where the real magic happens. Once you open it, you'll see all your tasks arranged chronologically, making it much easier to manage workloads and track deadlines. Now, it's time to create an epic in Jira. To create one, simply click on the Create Epic button in the Timeline interface. You'll then be prompted to enter a name for your epic. Choose something concise and descriptive that reflects the goal of the work. Press Enter, and your epic will be added to your project's timeline. Next, set the start and end dates for your epic. You can do this easily by hovering over the empty cells within the timeline view, which represent dates and durations. Click and drag across the cells to select the period you want your epic to cover. This visual layout helps your team stay aligned with the schedule and key milestones. And that's it. So that is how you can use Jira Timeline. So that's all for this video. Thanks.